Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called How Often Will I Get Updates During My Kitchen Remodel? All right, folks, let's address the elephant in the dusty, deconstructed room. Communication. When your kitchen undergoes a facelift, you don't want to feel as left out as a cactus at a water park. You're not just remodeling a room, you're recalculating your daily life. So, how often should you hear about progress? Let's break it down with the precision of a chef's knife. First, ask your contractor about the communication schedule right off the bat. Imagine planning your week's shopping not knowing when the sales hit. Doesn't that feel like a recipe for chaos? Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. A good contractor will outline regular updates from the get-go, like clockwork, so you're never peeking over the hedge to see what's happening. You might expect formal weekly check-ins, accompanied by progress photos showing that your new backsplash isn't going up like a Picasso, unless that's your thing. These updates should cover completed tasks and what's next on the to-do list, because surprises are fun for birthday parties, not kitchen remodels. Discuss your preferred method of updates. Some folks love good old phone calls, others prefer emails, and the ultra-modern among us. They're all about those text alerts, giving you status updates faster than a pizza delivery. The key is finding what keeps anxiety at bay and your expectations aligned with reality. Next, don't forget to inquire about points in the project timeline when more frequent updates might be necessary. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Ensure your contractor gives you the heads up before significant changes or deliveries. Knowing when countertops arrive or cabinets are installed is key to triumphant popcorn popping or simultaneous cringe fest avoidance. Remember, our efforts should make the process as transparent as possible. It's peace of mind brewed just like your morning espresso, strong, bold, and just the way you need it. And whatever else you do, reserve the right to ask questions. Know your project's heartbeat because, trust me, engagement is everything. It's about keeping the dream kitchen on the horizon from veering off course into the swamp. So next time you're prepping to remodel, set clear communication expectations. It's time to enjoy the smooth cruise rather than ride the roller coaster of surprises. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.